some demolition on lights as I'm taking them out, but I don't want to take them out yet because I want the painters to be able to see there's some drywall work being done in this unit. And there's actually two different styles of these when you go to take these out. So this has 3 screws around the light. Some of the other ones I can pop it down without taking the light cover off. If I can, I'll show you that. On this style, once I get one loose, it should go pretty easy. First one's a little tricky. It's a good idea to use a ladder if needed as one major way you get back strains by reaching too far without a ladder. This one I don't need the light power on, I just need to bring the wheel down. So we can either twist out the whole peg that's on the front here or twist out the nut that's on the front. Either way, that'll bring the light down. The other way to mount these uses screws. So you can see I'm just taking the nut off the front here. There we go. And now I can pull it down. And now painters can still get around it. And we've still got light in the area. So we're going to leave it connected so the painters can paint and do the drywall work that needs to be done. All this has got to come out and that's that style. The other way uses 2 screws to the deal. And here's the other style light. You can see I didn't need to take the cover off. I was able to turn it out as the 2 screws just passed through the deal. This was also the other kind where the center was turned out with the peg. With this kind, the see if I can show you real quick. So again, in this way, this allows to leave it connected so that painters can do a better job in here. But you see the different screw holes mounting screws, and I was able to just turn it on, pop it off. Besides these insulation things, all this will just get thrown away. No big deal. Right, it's all getting renovated and replaced. But I want to make sure they paint under there. But it's also nice to have a bit of light to make sure they do a better job in these areas. It's just an option. For the demolition, taking out the mushroom lights. So the lights that I'm replacing these with aren't too much different, but they do have a brushed nickel base. And it maybe wouldn't change these out, but what happens with these is if the wrong size bulb is used, it can kind of cook the wiring, or it can kind of weaken the wire insulation. And with as many different, over time, many different bulbs used, these are rated to use a 60 watt bulb only, incandescent bulb. Now today's time, more and more people are using LEDs, which use like 7 watts, or fluorescent lights that use like 13 watts. And so a lot less wattage, a lot less heat being put on the wiring. So thought it's a good time to change these out as well, both to give the nice brushed nickel finish, but also to re-up the wiring so that it's nice and new. But anyway, these are the 2 types of mushroom lights and how they can be replaced and changed out.